your shoe boxes for the Operation Christmas Child, where you get to fill a box for children at Christmas through the Samaritan's Purse. Now you can head to the foyer after the service today to pick up one of these flyers, which gives you all the information of what you can put in a shoebox. And we've also got shoe boxes available for you to purchase for £5, and that includes all your processing costs for it as well. So come to the foyer, come get your flyer, get your shoebox, pay that £5, and Bob's your uncle. He's not really your uncle, but we'll make a child happy at Christmas.
In your love, under the shadow of all that you are, I'll remain. In your love, here I am.
So this week, guys, our activities for toddlers, kids and young people are all taking a break for the half-term week. But don't worry, next week we'll all be back as usual. But this week they're taking a break. So that's Noah's Ark, G-Force and 180 taking a break, but we'll be back. So stay tuned for that.
Oh, you might be wondering why I'm sat in the dark, but you know, we've got to save on the electricity while the cost of living crisis is happening at the moment. Now listen, we're here to help you though. We've got a money course coming up on 2 Monday nights in November, which you can sign up for. We're going to be giving tips on how to save money and make your money stretch a little further, as we're all probably feeling the stretch with this cost of living crisis. So why don't you have a look online to get more information and sign up to join us for the money course.
No one beside you who can compare to our glorious world. Nothing can stop you. There's no one above you. I'll fall before you.
This week is prayer and Bible study at 7:30 here at Excel Church, so make sure you come along for that. It will be a great time where we can study the Word together, so make sure you come along. That's all for Excel News, so have a great week, guys.